Hey everyone, it's Lee here from Boother Tools, your one-stop photo booth knowledge channel. Today, I'm going to explain to you what I do after a photo booth from pickup comes back to us. But first, let's give you a little DIY photo booth motivation. As I've relayed in some of my videos in the past, getting into the photo booth business isn't as expensive or time-consuming as it's made out to be if you follow the steps the way that I've done it. I basically built these booths just with a camera, a touchscreen, and a computer, and inside a box, put a light on top, got the photo booth software, and then it's a photo booth business. This is a DIY photo booth. It goes out almost every weekend, and basically all it is just a computer, a touchscreen, and a camera slapped right in there. Right here, we have a photo booth that just came back for pickup, so we quickly just check it over to make sure it's still functioning. So let's do that. So basically, we just plug in the flash, make sure that it's still going. We'll quickly snap a picture, make sure it's still shooting. So touchscreen's working, camera's working, excellent. Snapped a picture, it flashed. We're in the green. When you're checking over the booth, you go to the settings screen, and once you go to the settings screen, you'll be able to check what has uploaded and what hasn't. Right here, it shows that there's still 52 images pending, so they probably didn't hook it up to Wi-Fi because those images didn't get a chance to upload. So we have it hooked up to Wi-Fi here, so it will upload all of those photos. So we'll just wait for it to upload those photos before we turn the photo booth off and put it away. And then we'll send them their photos along with a review form. Okay, now you see there's 0 pending. Okay, so now we see there's 0 pending, so we can just shut off the booth and let's go send them the link to the photos. The link, the photos upload to PhotoShare, which is the online cloud basically for where photos are kept with the software DSLR booth. So let's go get the link from PhotoShare. Okay, so we'll just navigate to photoshare.co, not com, co. All right, we'll just log in. And then bam, it shows us all our events here. And we know that this is the most recent one because it's the first, so we just click into it. And all their photos are there and uploaded. So what we want to do is in the sidebar, we want to click on link sharing and download all, not guest access, because guest access will give each and every guest that text the photos to themselves and emailed them to themselves. It'll give them access to the whole lot, and we only want them to have access to the photos that they get. But anyone who we send the link to, then they can have access to the whole album. Yeah. Okay, so we'll just grab the link there. Once we copy the link, we'll just email it off to the client saying, here's your photo booth photos, also with a link to a review. So it's like, hey, here's your photo booth, send us a review. So to organize all my rentals, I use the rental program called Bookable, and I can put automatic email templates in there. So I can just quickly find her order. So just click on it. And there's photo booth with a backdrop stand. $315, let's see, after taxes, $382.31. So not bad. The photo booth was $382.31, which I didn't have to do anything. They just came and picked it up, and wham bam, thank you ma'am. So we'll just go into the email, and then you can see that we've got templates here, so we can do photo booth pictures. And it's like, bam, thank you for renting, blah, 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 blah. So the link that we copied, I'll just put it inside the email. I'll paste it inside the template, bam. And then attach the receipt to the order and send it off. And then we'll send an additional email that will have a link so that they can send us a Google review. Again, we just go up into the corner into our email templates, and I find the template that I've already created for Google review. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I've got plenty more. If you just want to click one of these links right here, or we also sell photo booth enclosures and photo booth templates. There's a link in the description if you want to go that route. We'll see you on the next one. Boother Tools out.